గ్రూప్స్ లో పెట్టేసాయి లింక్ తో సహా. A very good evening to one and all. Arvind, theory of equations, probably next week we are planning quadratic and theory of equations. So we'll have that also soon. Welcome everyone to this session. I'm just waiting for a few minutes so that everybody else joins. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in limits, which is continuity and mean value theorems. So we are going to discuss continuity and mean value theorems as a part of our discussion in our daily YouTube series. So I'm just waiting for others also to join. So basically these are the daily live classes series conducted by Spark Academy. You'll be having daily sessions like these, and we clarify doubts, we discuss some previous year questions, we discuss important concepts. So it will give you a glimpse of what actually happens in Spark Academy's classes. So the admissions right now are open for both short term as well as crash course, so you can check and join that. This is our schedule usually daily, 11 to 12, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7, Monday to Friday we have the sessions. Right? So for all latest Eamcet exam or Eamcet, JEE and NEET updates, we give that on every Saturday. So today we are going to discuss limits and continuity along with the mean value theorems, which are important for the competitive exams. So today we are going to discuss mean value theorems, which is one of the important chapters. You can expect one question in JEE for sure in mean value theorems, and even for the Eamcet exam we will discuss a particular continuity part, where again you can expect 1 to 2 questions for the Eamcet examination. So let's get started with the same. So basically there are 3 types of mean value theorems. The first theorem is a Rolle's theorem. So Rolle's theorem states that if a function is defined in the closed interval a to b, so when you have closed brackets, it means a less than or equal to the function less than or equal to b. Or basically if you take any x, it is between a and b, both a and b are included. Then it is continuous on the closed interval a comma b. It is differentiable at the open interval a comma b, f of a equal to f of b, and there exists some c. So between this a and b there will be some c such that f dash c is equal to 0. This is called your Rolle's theorem, everybody. So if any function which is defined on the interval, it is definitely continuous in the same interval and differentiable such that f of a equal to f of b, and there exists a number c which is in between this a and b. It can be somewhere in between a and b, between the interval f dash c equal to 0. That is called your Rolle's theorem. Now you have another theorem called Lagrange's theorem, which is an extension of Rolle's theorem, which states that if a function f of x is defined on the interval a comma b, it is continuous and differentiable, but there exists a c such that f dash c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So f of b minus f of a by b minus a will be your Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay? And finally you have Cauchy's mean value theorem, which states that if f and g are functions defined in a comma b such that both are continuous in a comma b and differentiable in a comma b, then there exist 2 functions basically. This is an extension of Lagrange's which is f dash c by d g dash c. So what is f dash c according to Lagrange is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So divided by g dash c, this will be g of b minus g of a by b minus a. So b minus a will get cancelled. So f dash c by g dash c is f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. This is your Cauchy's mean value theorem. So these are the three mean value theorems which are useful for us for solving continuity based questions. And just a quick recap, when do you say the function is continuous? You say the function is continuous when the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit is equal to the actual limit. This is continuous condition. So left hand limit is if you take a value bounded to the left side of A, that is called your left hand limit. The value bounded to the right side of A, that is called right hand limit, or it is given by limit x tends to A minus f of x equals to limit x tends to A plus f of x. This is equal to limit x tends to a f of x. If this condition satisfies, then it is called as a continuous function. So the same thing for differentiable, which is left hand derivative equal to the right hand derivative equal to the actual derivative. So we know the actual derivative definition, which is limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This definition, if it is satisfies, then it is a differentiable. So a quick recap of what we have done. So if a function is bounded on the interval a comma b, then it is continuous in the same interval, differentiable with not including a and b, that's why you have open brackets, such that f of a equal to f of b, then there exists a real number c such that f dash of c is equal to 0. And the Lagrange's mean value theorem says that this f dash of c is nothing but f of b minus f of a by b minus a. And Cauchy says that if there are two functions, instead of one you have two functions, f dash c by g dash c is f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. Hope this is clear to everybody. This is your Cauchy's mean value theorem. You can download our Spark Academy app. Those who haven't downloaded, you can download. You get exciting free handwritten notes, study material, previous year questions, and as well as mock tests. You can refer our store where we have all the latest batch updates available to you. And for the classroom coaching program, we have short-term coaching, regular coaching, as well as crash course which is coming soon. So from today, actually, today basics are going on, today and tomorrow, April 18th, which is today, there is a fresh batch which started for short-term coaching. So those who are interested can contact the numbers given below, or you can go to our store and buy the course. Both classroom and online coaching is available for that. So these are online coupons, so you can use the coupon code YAS10. If you are enrolling for online coaching program, you get a flat 10% off if you use this coupon code. So in our online classes, basically we have daily, live and on-demand sessions. We have weekly tests. These are methodology. We start with basics, shortcut methods. We discuss basically whatever is required for the competitive exam. We do it in detail for you. So these YouTube classes also give you a glimpse of how our classroom and online coaching looks like. So basically we have two types of coaching, hybrid as well as online coaching. So for the online coaching, you only don't get access to the classroom and you only don't get access to the materials. Rest all is same. Whereas if you take hybrid coaching, which is classroom plus online, you can get both. Online coaching is also included in this. And even for both the doubt clarification, we have in-house doubt clarification for you. Or you can, if you have any doubts regarding any courses and all, you can download our app. There's a chat option in the app. You can directly connect with us. Now let's get started with this. For a given function f of x equals to x power 4 by 3 minus 3 power 3x power 1 by 3, the value of c in the interval 0, 3 that satisfies the mean value theorem. So basically they gave you an interval. If they give you an interval, you know it is continuous, you know it is differentiable, and if c belongs to the interval a, b, you know f dash c is equal to 0 according to Cauchy's mean value theorem. So let's first find out f dash of x. Derivative, this is looking like derivative of some x power n, which is n into x power n minus 1. So this is 4 by 3, x power 4 by 3 minus 1 minus 3 times 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1. So this is my f dash of x. So this will be 4 by 3 x power 1 by 3, 3 cancel. This will be 2 x power minus 2 by 3 basically. This is f dash of x. Now we know that according to Cauchy's, f dash of c is equal to 0. So instead of x, let's substitute c. So what will happen if you substitute c? You will get 4 by 3 c power 1 by 3 minus 2c power minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. So you can send it to the other side basically. So 4 by 3 c power 1 by 3 is equal to 2c power minus 2 by 3. So this goes here, this goes here. So what will you get? C power 1 by 3 into c power 2 by 3 equals to 2 times 3 by 4. 2 goes 2 times, so I think you will get answer as 3 by 2. So just check the calculations once, but this is the process. This is how you find. So we are using Cauchy's mean value theorem to get the final answer. I hope this is clear to everybody, please. All of you. So we are just using f dash of c equal to 0 concept to get the answers easily. So this is the first question of the day. Second, the value of c in Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function f of x equals to this in the interval 0, 1. So from this we know this is a, this is b. So what is Lagrange's mean value theorem? F dash of c equals to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So let's first find out f dash of x. So f dash of x will be what? Derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of 4x square is 8x. Derivative of 8x is 8, derivative of 11 is 0. So f dash of c is 3c square minus 8c plus 8. So we will get the expression as 3c square minus 8c plus 8 equal to f of b. F of b means instead of x substitute 1. So what will this be? 1 cube minus 4 times 1 square plus 8 times 1 plus 11. This is my f of b. F of a is minus 0 cube minus 4 times 0 square plus 8 times 0 plus 11 whole divided by b minus a is 1 minus 0. So upon simplifying this equation, we will get a quadratic equation, and if you solve it, you can get the final answer. So since they clearly mentioned that we need to use the Lagrange's mean value theorem, we are doing the same. So we are just finding out f dash of x. In that I am substituting c. My unknown here is c basically. C is the unknown which is to be found out. So f of b, I know a and b which are the intervals. So f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Is it clear everybody, please? Those who joined? All of you? So I hope all of you are clear with this. So this is the second question of the day where we are using Lagrange's mean value theorem. The third question actually if f is any function which is continuous on a comma b and twice differential on a comma b, for all x belongs to a comma b, f dash of x is greater than 0 and f double dash of x is less than 0, then for c belonging to a comma b, f of c minus f of a by f of b minus of f of c is greater than. So basically for this, use the last theorem. So this you can try it actually. If you don't get it, I will be sharing the solution in the Telegram group. So we can use the last theorem, which is the Cauchy's mean value theorem, which says that f dash c by g dash c is f of b minus f of a by g of b minus g of a. We can just use that to get the final answer, please, for that. So that is the hint for this question. So you can all try it and let me know if you got the answer for the same. So this is homework. Use Lagrange's mean value theorem. Fourth question. Now this is also a very important type of question, which is asked in continuity. So whenever they say x not equal to pi by 4, x equal to pi by 4, this expression simply means that limit x tends to pi by 4, root 2 cos x minus 1 by cot x minus 1 equal to k. Basically I am using the concept of left hand equal to right hand equal to actual. So we are taking actual limit is equal to k basically. Since they say not equal to, right, they did not mention whether it is left hand or right hand. So we can directly assume it in this way. Now if you do this, if you substitute pi by 4, we are getting cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, this again 1 minus 1, this again 0, it's 0 by 0 form. So we need to use L'Hospital's rule. What is L'Hospital rule? We discussed in the last video. This extends to pi by 4, root 2 into derivative of cos is minus sin x, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cot is minus cosecant square x, minus minus cancel. Now give x value pi by 4, root 2 into sin 45 1 by root 2, cosecant 45 root 2 whole square is 2. So root 2 cancel. Answer is 1 by 2. So we are just using L'Hospital's rule. We assume the limit left hand equal to right hand equal to actual. We have done that, and we are just using L'Hospital rule, which is differentiating the numerator, differentiating the denominator, and then substituting the limit. We got a valid known value which is 1 by 2. We did discuss about this in detail. This is the fourth question. Now finally, fifth question. If Rolle's theorem holds for the function, what is Rolle's theorem basically? F dash of c is f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So again, with f dash of 4 by 3 equal to 0. So basically here the c value is 4 by 3. C value is 4 by 3. So what we can do is basically f dash of c, we can just actually do it normally also. So what is f dash of x? X cube, derivative of x cube is 3x square minus a times derivative of x square is 2x plus b. So f dash of 4 by 3 equal to 0 is said. So let's do that. F dash of 4 by 3. This is 3 times 4 by 3 whole square minus a times 2 into 4 by 3 plus b equal to 0. So this is 16 into 3 is 48 by 9 minus 8a by 3 plus b equal to 0. LCM is 9. So this is 48. 3 into 8 is 24a plus 9b equal to 0. So now we are getting minus 24a plus 9b equal to minus 48. So I think you can just verify the options here. I think you will get it directly. If you are getting two same options, then you can use this method. Basically, you can just substitute here f of b, f of a, b minus a. So you will be getting that as well. And since they said f dash of c equal to 0, I can also use, since this is a, this is b, this is not this AB, this is basically the interval. So we can use f of a equal to f of b also and verify. You'll observe that all this same verification is possible. So this is how easy this is. We're directly using rules. I think before even using rules, if you just do this, you will be getting the answer easily. So I think if we can just check this, 24 into 5, 20, 100 and 10, 12. So 120. 120. This part is 120 basically. This part is 72. So this is minus 120. So it depends on what you take now. If you take minus 5, this is plus 120. And if you take minus 8, minus 72. So I think fourth option will give you the answer. So I am not even using roles, because directly with this condition, verification of options, I have directly got it. So I wanted to discuss this. Also, one more important thing is, you can join our Telegram group. All the materials we are sharing there. We also started with quizzes last week. So all important topics, quizzes, revision, handwritten notes, everything is being shared, and latest update about our batches, our classes, YouTube videos, everything is being uploaded. So ensure you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon if you don't want to miss out on any updates, because every day we are having classes. These are like revision classes. We want all of you, if you like the video, do like it and share it with all your friends so that they also get benefited from the same. So if there is anything else, you can call on the numbers which are given below. So I just wanted to discuss this short topic today. So in the next class, we will be discussing another important chapter on Wednesday. So stay tuned, and we are also coming up with an exciting tricks series on YouTube. So we are going to upload those videos also soon. So lot of things lined up. Ensure you have applied for JEE 2022, Eamcet 2022, NEET 2022 if you are eligible. So please do that. Finish all your application forms, because all the engineering entrance exam forms are out. So we request you to fill them and be ready for the same. Thank you. Thanks for joining the session. We'll again catch up on Wednesday. Thank you guys.